Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lulu. In today's video, I introduce BONOSS Forged lightweight plus with bases for Volkswagen. What's the difference after install BONOSS with bases on Volkswagen Golf? Commonly, these with bases are made of aluminum installed between the hub assembly and the wheel, pushing the wheels out to provide a more compact stance and increase the distance between the wheels. As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them correctly, the wheel spacers are very safe. Compared with others, the hollow-out design of BONOSS Forged lightweight plus wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Precise hub-centric wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel paths. In order to further optimize the hub-centric connections, BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric lips. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the B-wheels fill the corresponding hub spacers, which eliminates any possible gaps. Precise hub-centric wheel spacers will not change the original wheel fastening method. BONOSS Forged lightweight plus wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, fast customer service, and friendly service, which is your best choice. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this Volkswagen wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.